Good morning class, welcome to St. Angel's online classes. Students, you are working from home. So beta, in the previous video, we have solved till the question number 14 of exercise 3.3. So now the next questions are similar to each other. So I am just solving the question number 18. In all these questions, you just need to simply put the formula of sine A minus B, A plus B or cos A minus B or A plus B and you will get your right hand side. So I am solving question number 18. So I am taking LHS. So here sin x minus sin y. It means formula of sin x minus sin y, which is 2 cos a plus b and upon 2 into sin x minus y upon 2 upon. But inside this is cos a plus cos b, which is 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Because this would be cancelled out. So what we left with sin x minus y upon 2 upon the cos x minus y upon 2, which would be 10 x minus y upon 2 आंसर. ठीक है ना, इसको नोट कर लो आप. चलो अब देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 भी ऐसा ही है, सीधे 20 करते हैं हम. बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 है sin x minus sin 3x upon sin square x minus cos square x equals to 2 sin x. Okay students, now so here I am just applying the formula of sin a minus sin b, that is 2 cos a plus b upon 2 into sin a minus b upon 2 and sin square x minus cos square x. Okay students, now look at that would be 2 cos x plus 3x 4x upon 2. It means what? 2 cos 2x into sin x minus 3x minus 2x upon 2. 2 will be cancelled out, that would be minus x upon sin square x minus cos square x. And beta we know that sin minus theta equals to minus sin theta, and बेटा cos 2x का फॉर्मूला होता है कि वाला cos square x minus sin square x. So we have to use these two in this expression and we will get our RHS. So now here बेटा sin minus x is minus sin x, so I am putting minus in front of this expression. So minus 2 cos 2x into sin x upon बेटा the formula of cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, but I have sin square x minus cos square x. So from here I am taking minus as a common, so it would convert into cos square x minus sin square x. So that would be cancelled out and that would be 2 cos 2x into sin x upon बेटा cos square x minus sin square x का होता है आपका cos 2x. So cos 2x. So that would be cancelled out and we left with 2 sin x, which is equal to our RHS. Hence proof. So student, please pause the video and note this out. Okay. So I'm just roughing it. Now look at the question number 21. 21 says that we have to prove cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x equals to cot 3x. So that we have to prove. Okay. So now I'm taking LHS. Now in the LHS what terms we have? Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x. So here one thing is very clear, that I can solve this question by applying the formula of cos a plus cos b, but I have here 3 terms. So in which 2 terms I should apply the formula? Should I apply formula in these 2 terms? Should I apply the formula in these 2 terms, or should I apply the formula in these 2 terms? That is the matter of thinking. So beta, the very clear hint is that we have to apply the formula in those 2 pair, by which applying them we can get a common thing. Suppose I applied the formula in cos 4x plus cos 3x. Okay, so formula would be 2 cos a plus b upon 2. इट मीन्स पहले हम इसको एक बार ऐड करेंगे तो 4x plus 3x कितना आएगा 7x upon 2. Nothing is common in 2x. If I subtract it 4x minus 3x, I'll get x upon 2. Nothing is common. If I will apply 3x and 2x, so when I will add it 3x plus 2x, 5x upon 2, nothing is in common. 3x minus 2x, x by 2, nothing is in common. But when I apply 4x and 2x, 4x plus 2x upon 2, 6x upon 2, 3x, I will get something in common. So we'll apply formula in the cos 4x plus cos 2x. Same here in the denominator sin 4x plus sin 2x. So I'm putting these two values together. So my LHS would be cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x upon sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Okay, student. Now I'm applying the formula of cos A plus cos B over here. So cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2 plus cos 3x upon sin A plus sin B, 2 sin A plus B upon 2 into cos A minus B upon 2 plus sin 3x. So beta that would be equals to 2 cos 4x plus 2x, 6x upon 2 cos 3x. I've got common like cos 3x into cos 4x minus 2x, 2x upon 2, it means simply cos x plus cos 3x upon 2 sin 4x 2x, 6x upon 2, 3x. 4x minus 2x, 2x upon 2, only x plus sin 3x. So beta from here I am taking cos 3x as a common, and from here I am taking sin 3x as a common. So I am taking cos 3x as a common over here. So I left with 2 cos x plus 1 upon sin 3x. So here I left with 2 cos x plus 1. So beta that would be cancelled out. So we left with cos x upon sin is what? Cot, equals to cot 3x equals to our RHS. Hence proved. Students, please pause the video and note it out. Now we will look at the question number 22. Question number 22 is cot x, cot 2x minus cot 2x, cot 3x minus cot 3x, cot x equals to 1. But the beauty of this question is that you cannot solve it directly. Like from here I've taken LHS and just put the value of cot x like cos x upon sin x, cos 2x upon sin 2x, cos 2x upon sin 2x. Then I'm applying the formula of cos 2x sin 2x. So that would be very complex. Although I will get answer as 1, I can solve it, but it will take me around 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes to solve it out like that manner, and that would be very complicated, and there are chances where you might get wrong as well, because so much complicated calculation, so you might done any mistake from there. So to avoid that risk, we are solving it directly. And please remember this step. Okay, we know that. Can I write cot 3x like cot x, cot 2x plus x? Can I write cot 3x equal to as cot 2x plus cos x? So here cot 2x plus x, it means what? It is the form of the formula of cot a plus b. What was the formula of cot a plus b? That was cot a cot b minus 1 upon cot b plus cot a. Okay, so now just apply this formula. So cot 3x equals to, so cot 2x into cot x minus 1 upon cot x plus cot 2x. Okay, now I am cross multiplying it. Okay, so that would be cot 3x into cot x plus cot 3x into cot 2x equals to cot 2x into cot x minus 1. Beta, I am taking all these value over here and 1 to this side. So that would be cot x cot 2x minus cot 3x cot x, this is 3x, minus cot 3x into cot 2x equals to 1. And beta, that was we were supposed to prove. You can check it out. Cot x cot 2x cot x cot 2x minus cot 2x cot 3x cot 2x cot 3x cot 3x cot x cot 3x cot x equals to 1. Hence true. So look how simple it was. So please follow this step. Okay, now please pause the video and note it down. Students, now we look at the question number 23, which is tan 4x equal to, we have to prove that one. So I am taking LHS tan 4x. But here I can write tan 4x as tan 2 into 2x. And why would I have done it? Because now I have made the form of tan 2a. And the formula of tan 2a was 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Sorry, 1 minus tan square a. So now let's put the value of. So that would be 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. So 2 into beta. Again, this is the form of tan 2a. Apply the formula. So 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square x upon 1 minus here as well. Beta, and this is the whole square. So 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Okay. So beta, from here just solve it. So that would be 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x upon. Beta, I am taking 1 minus tan square x is whole square as a LCM. So 1 minus tan square x is whole square as LCM. So here that would be 1 minus tan square x is whole square minus, that would be 4 tan square x square. But from here 1 power will be cancelled out and that would be over here. So that would be 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x. Now just putting the value of over here. So open the whole square. So that would be 1 plus tan raised to power 4x square minus 2 tan square x square minus 4 tan square x square. So that similar numerator in denominator 1 plus tan to power 4x square here, that is x square, and here 6 tan square x. So beta, 6 minus 4 minus 2, that would be minus 6 equals to RHS. Okay beta. Now so please pause the video and note it down. Here I've done, but it's not square. That would be tan square x. Here also that would be tan square x only. Okay, and this is only x square. So that would be 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan raised to power 4x. Here minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 tan square x. Okay student, but here this is x as well. So now please now pause the video and note it down.